Hey Patrick, my name is Scott, and I'm with Scott Evan Media, and we're a digital marketing company, a small company. And I came across your website. I'm actually from Rockwall, and I wanted to shoot this short little video for you to give you a couple of tips based on what I've seen on your site so far, so that you can get more customers, get more people coming to your site. And that's what we do here at Scott Evan Media, is we help small businesses like yours to get more traffic going to your website. And therefore you're going to get more people calling your phone and get you more business. People are going to be using your services more. So I just wanted to show you a couple things here to start getting your site ranking higher in Google. In Google's eyes, you want to be trusted. Google wants to see that your website has on it what the people are looking for. Not just roofing, but restoration, in Rockwall, Texas. All these different things need to be in there and in the right spots. So your website here is a very nice website. It's a very pretty website. Whoever put it together did a good job. All right. Now, but more importantly than that, I want to check out your Rise Up Roofing URL here. So I use these couple tools here to look to see what's going on the backside of it. And these H1 and H2 tags, these are your headings. Your H1 headings are one of the very first things that Google looks at when it checks out a site, and it wants to see, what is this site about? What is on this site that's going to help out the person that is searching for whatever? All right, now if somebody's searching for roofing in Rockwall, is this site going to have what they need? And so right now you have, I highlighted here with Roofer Rockwall, which is not a bad thing because that's what your site's about, but you're about so much more. And these H2 tags here need to be lots more of them here supporting what this top one says, what the H1 heading says. So this is the first thing that Google sees, and you're very limited here. So when Google looks at your site and it sees this, you have a lot more going on than what Google is actually seeing on your site. All right, another tool I use is the metadata. Now, metadata is your title. It's when I come and I search for roofing in Rockwall, Texas. All right, all these blue lines here, these are all metadata. These are the title. This is what people see, not only what people see, but this is what Google sees too, that is relevant to your site. It's another thing that Google sees, just like the H1 tags, your heading tags on the site. These need to be in Rockwall. It needs to say Rockwall, Texas. It needs to say Rowlett. It needs to say Heath, Texas. And a roofer's restoration, things like that. So you look at some of the top ones here. It's Rockwall and Dallas, Texas, roofing, Rockwall roofers. It's a whole bunch going on there. On yours, it's roofing and Rockwall, roofer Rockwall. It's repeating itself, and we can really get this. You need to get this to where it's a little bit more specific and letting people know and Google know what your site is about. So that needs to be fixed there. And so I looked up roofing in Rockwall, and I found you on page 4 down there. And I'm telling you, like, we can really, right up here, Rise Up Roofing, and we can really start to work on some of these rankings for you and get you bumped up, get you closer to that first page, and really pretty quickly. That way you can get more business. That's the goal. And I will tell you, I'm a Christian myself, and I really love the idea of this business and what it stands for. So I really wanted to reach out to you, see if we can't help you out. I'm going to leave my information down in this email here, and if I would love to work with you, see what we can do for you. Get you some more business, get your phone ringing, and we'll go from there. Hope you have a great day. My name is Scott, and hope to hear from you soon.